Thank you for watching this video on setup, installation, and use of your Phoenix electric tape machine. To begin, remove the tape machine from the box by removing the top insert. Once you've removed the insert, place the machine on the work surface and remove the power cord. Plug into a standard 110 outlet, fill the water bottle, and replace. Set the baffle plates in the rear of the machine. Pull the tape over the black roller, over the silver roller, and between the upper and lower tape plates. You are now ready to use your new Phoenix E2 tape dispenser. The E2 comes with two special features. The first is an auto repeat via photo eye. Simply press the start key and desired length and place your hand in front of the photo eye to get that length. The second feature is an auto repeat of the last keyed length. Simply press the desired length and the 3-line key to repeat that length. Thank you for buying a Phoenix E2 tape dispenser.